Hey everyone, welcome to today's stream. I hope you're all doing well. I'm a little EP today. Trying to pull myself together for stream today. Because procrastination is a biggie today, especially after the email I sent last night. Yeah, how are you all doing? Welcome to today's stream. Yeah. This is a bucket.
Dear God. There's more. No.
My brain genuinely broke for a moment there. It's gonna be one of those days where my brain can't take too many thoughts in one go. We're gonna switch over to the Walking Dog playlist now. Well, I have combined the two into one. Just for dev streams, I'd much rather use this one. But welcome to stream, everyone. The stream start ads should be done now. But how is everyone doing? Right. What we want is...
Suck.
Not to do that. We're not sucking today.
Suck.
But But welcome everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all having a fun day so far. Or just an okay one. What do you mean, yes we are? I mean, sure, if you lot want to. Sure, I'm not. Anyway, so yeah. Today I'm getting to work at, on the... What does that mean? I'm being a good gremlin. Genuinely waiting for a possible job to get back to me. To be honest, I've been hopeful and nervous for the past few days. Yeah, I just sent out a job application email last night. For a dev company over in Berlin. Called Jome. Hopefully I get a response. Even if it's like now we're not interested. Like something will be better than nothing. But so yeah, I've sent that out. Because also the scary part with the game dev industry is that most of the jobs listing are marked, even the junior ones are marked like, we're looking for someone who has 2 years experience releasing stuff. And to be honest, I haven't released a full game, so that makes it a lot more harder to apply. And then on top of that, especially if you look at like LinkedIn, most jobs have like 100 applications within an hour. So like, I have the raw experience of working on my own stuff, but I don't have the experience a lot of them are looking for. Yee, I will do. I'm hoping that they do, even if they tell me that they're not interested. It's better than nothing. So, string... to UI equals... Okay, that's the first part we're gonna do. Well, I mean, never really had any experience with anything, so every application is a hopeful shot. Yeah, like, unless you manage to find an apprenticeship entry into something, which half of the apprenticeship stuff is buried unless you're actively in an education establishment, is really messy. And like, to be honest, the main thing is I do want to... I wish I could just work on my game full time and do streaming as well. But the problem is genuinely funds. Because, take for example, the Lost Souls sandbox. I don't charge anyone to play it. Because it's all marked as free. Well, pay what you want. So it's basically free. Both on GameJolt and Itch. And I don't do commissions. I know I'm practicing with Moon on commissions right now. On her stuff. And that'll be a choice on her end. But, you know, I don't feel confident right now enough to do commissions. So basically right now, the only funding apart from a little bits of support I've got is legit just for Twitch money, which I'm really appreciative of all of you guys that put into that. So yeah, so I've started applying. Apart from like part of one of the two support things needs me to be actively looking for jobs unless I manage to fill out paperwork for business plan and stuff. Yeah, no, Ghost, it's fine. I just appreciate everything I have so far. It's just I'm having to look at options to genuinely keep pushing forwards, and be able to keep this going at the same time. Because what I want to do is here, streaming and dev stuff. It's just such a stressful situation. So yeah, it may also screw with streams a lot more. Hold on, who's been up to shenanigans? Like, to be honest, streaming is a lot of fun. Just... Mind you, there is one incentive coming to the Twitch side eventually. You may have noticed I've moved the sub goal up. I can't remember if I unlock them every 5 points or not, or every 10 points, but basically there's 3 emotes in the work right now. One is the snuggle emote, that is going to become also the icon for the Gremlin snuggles. And there's 2 more coming, based around my persona, which just got finished being designed yesterday. And they will have to be in tier 2 and tier 3 for now. But if I can reach 35, 40 sub points, that will give me 2 more tier 1 slots, as far as I'm aware. And enable me to move them down so all of you that do tier 1 subs can use the emotes in both here and Discord. E. So I'm going to have interactable info be chest, then okay, so we're gonna need to do a little bit of constructing here. Right, first we're gonna do if not unlocked. No shield. Hey Metalis, how are you? Welcome to stream. But yeah, also once I get more into the rhythm of my actual game dev and feeling more confident again in my skills, because there was a point where I was, I'm going to potentially open up to some small commissions that will eat in a day or 2 out of my normal productivity and stuff, and I'm not sure. Yay, free stream streak. But yeah, it may eat into stuff a little bit, but it's just to help fund everything. B, how are you, Metalis? Oh yeah, Metalis, I have a question for you because you'll likely know this. For the sub points, how many sub points is it to unlock an emote on average? because I can't remember what my last limit was. So I can't remember if it's like every 5 or every 10. So, yeah, what I need to do is interactive info. And then I think it's this, N. And because it'll be a pick-upable, I'm going to do game object dot get component dot frick required. Should I do required or needed? And let's... Okay, we'll start with the else. Then we'll do an if in here. Wait, it's open... No, that's a... So yeah, if we do if is open, we can actually reduce this down to here. Also, what I'm going to do here is I'm gonna declare this here. Then remove this here. Just so I can start to do more like this for ease. Oh yeah, Metalis, when are you getting the storage thing? If you don't mind me asking. You know, the like mini server storage thing? I can't remember its name. Yeah, Vanass. I need to check something in my character info in the crosshair change. Can it please not fucking do that every time I'm trying to... Get interactable text. So yeah, if we put open and then closed on the end, it should work for this. I won't have a shipping label until next Friday. Okay. Da-da-da. Dot. Locked. No. So this is... I don't think I need to make this, I can probably just do this, right? I think I can do that. We're actually gonna need to do this, because I just realized why. Because basically what we need to do is, for cleanliness, I know I can write it all in one. It should be sometime early next month, I am hoping. I won't have a shipping label until next Friday. I'm tired, lightheaded, and can barely breathe. Yeah. Look after yourself, Natalis. I hope you'll be okay. Right, we can copy this. We'll do an else. And then we're going to do the same return piece here. And we need to get rid of that there. So basically, it's first checking if it's locked. If not, if it's open, if it's not open, to return the name and then with a little word open, but to return that. Then if it's closed, if it's opened on about closing it, because over here is where it will matter, because then over here it's getting the info and then it's displaying the key name needed. So yeah, so also here I've got like how it's says to hold or to just tap it. And like there's conditions for interactables, pickups. So I haven't put in a key item yet, which I may just shove something random in for a moment. So we're gonna first tell, no, we don't, we want, wait, no, we'll leave that off. Also, the other thing I need to do with this is, because this is how I normally structure my thing, this needs to go at the bottom. Need to check something a moment. Gotta deal with try and keep Athena here a moment. Family's returned. Stay. Good girl. Stay. She's licking her chops like I have to bribe her, which really wouldn't surprise me. Hey, stay. Good girl. Peanut, stay. Nope, not having that. She's being a menace right now. Okay, so yeah, I need to create a temporary key item. Also, the other thing I need to check is how I'm handling player inventory, which is through the game manager here. Add item, item storage, clear storage, change active item. Item storage current number dot game object dot active set active. There. It's been a little while. So yeah, character controller. Okay. Where's the I'm guessing that's player controller. Character movement. Okay, yeah, that's this here. So what I need to do is to have a check here. So, wow, farting on the stream, but thanks for the head pats. So we'll change this to character controller. Players underscore hand. There we go. And so what we're going to do here is wait. No, we'll just call this player movement. Player movement. So if we do player... Wait, did I? Yeah. Player's movement. Dot... This is going to take a little bit backwards and forth while I try and learn how I did stuff. As in 3 minutes, everyone. Hand position. Equipped item. Right, yeah. It's gonna let me do this, right? Did I do oh, whoops. There we go. It was hunting down the character controller components, not my script of character movements. So what we're going to do is does not equal because I'm pretty sure this will work if it's null as well. Right, the item. Then we're going to do a little else if. There we go. I'm going to take this. To be honest, what I can do realistically is because code works in like lines of 1, 2, 3, 4. What I can do is get rid of all of these here. And then just do this. And it saves a whole lot of typing. Because it's always going to return something. Just this is the process it's going through. So instead of this, this is gonna work a little janky, I just realized, because the character movement shows the input no matter what. So it's gonna work a little jank for a little while until I figure that out. So then we're going to just add in a little thing saying unlock. Also, here's the thing I just realized. I don't need that. We don't do pluses in this text here. Because this is formatting it. So it's technically always writing like this. So you never need to put in a... You don't need to put in a plus unless you want a plus to show up. Because, like, you can... This is how you add in variables to show into it. Without doing plus speeches, plus speeches, plus speeches. You just do it all in one like this. I'll be back in a couple of minutes, everyone. I'm back. Sorry about that, everyone. Was just busy a moment. So yeah, I'm going to be using that, and I need to set up a at least temp key. I have a glass key, right? Yeah, we'll use this. And we will place it in this room.
Suck.
What do you mean, suck? Right, that we can remove for here. Not gonna mess with this prefab, otherwise it'll mess with sandbox.
Shut the hell up, bitch.
Hey Moon, welcome to the VC.
Hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing okay. And my inventory, Belby, and
and small.
I see that ghost. You sneaking in. We're just gonna call this starter key.
Hello there.
You thought you could trick me, Moon.
What? That wasn't me.
I know it was you.
No.
Yes.
Oh.
Because I know my follow alert sound, and I saw that the number did not move.
Oh.
You thought you could trick me. So yeah, we're gonna leave this here for now. There is going to be like a whole mini puzzle type thing to unlock this, to get this to work. I'm just getting step 1 working so far. So we're gonna put the portal key in there. Wait, even better than this, what we can do is get component item. We're gonna get item here. Dot item name. Just gonna make sure I didn't miss any themes. Nope. Okay, so we have that up now. The other thing I need to probably double check with the key is this here. Okay, yeah, because it's collectible, we used. Mean you are not new. Alright, here we go through the process. Oh god. The rendering. The compiling of shaders. Still need to... I'm just gonna monitor something as we walk down here. Let's see, no, that's not the one I want. Why is this working so well all of a sudden jumping? Well, kind of working well. Oh no. Getting a little X-Spikes as things are doing things. Why is it recompiling everything now? Second camera rendering. Again, by the way, I'm not messing around with animations anymore on the cutscenes. I enter here, that locks. You need to reduce that down to about half a second. Also, I do understand why it's so damn dark in here. I'm gonna try something a moment. Yeah, so the main camera is showing that, right? What's going on here? I think I know what's happened. Da, da, da. But that's... Why is that appearing so much darker?
Didn't realise how many I had. But with 5 we've got, I could do the
Also, why didn't the Phantom deactivate? Just realized that.
and we got okra. We got latest figures.
Something's happened here, that sure enough.
Never grown any before. They never, because we're traveling.
Like, why is it so...
Jack is super duper tall, hee lol.
Wow. Oh wait, thanks for the reading, Gemini. I'm sorry if I missed it, I'm just so lost in this. Okay, why is that not working? But yeah, how are you, Gemini? Welcome to stream. Yeah, that should be running. It's fine enough that everything's so much darker than it should be.
She's got some new routes she can't get out. She can't feed them.
Suck.
I said, well, if she tells time, she tells any time, she's down.
Alright, yeah. Also,
Them out.
no, we're not sucking things. I already said this.
One that's coming through the gate is that one there.
Did I not just fucking do that?
That actually helps with
Things not wanting to work today. Oh yeah, I'm gonna try and get some more clips edited and ready to go over to YouTube and TikTok, so keep an eye out for them. as he'll be appearing on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. As a quick FYI. Maybe. Also, I'm very suspicious there's something hidden in that in that question. I'm suspicious of everything. Okay, so if that's there.
Council saying it's viable plot. I said on the phone when I said that, explained it. It wasn't. You know, George says you can only do so much with it, and then yeah. They say don't. You're not allowed. Right? The rules are you're not allowed cement, but they say bring some cement on and fix up the beds.
Brain is freezing.
No. George has got astroturf down. Astroturf down. But it's for the grandson to be on. He's a lot better, by the way. I was saying to him, our son, it's really not better, thank you. Yeah, the stomach bug's not good. I said the stomach bug's not good. They felt with the kitchen squeezing with it. But
Suck.
he says he never suffers with it.
Wait, who did that?
What?
Thanks for redeem, Ghost.
No, this is going through the nurseries.
Brain's honestly freezing.
Yeah, this is before the beat. And they said, he said, tell him it's not his fault when he's messed. Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna turn on the log enabled. So just to confirm, an inventory. No, just anything that happens in the chat these days, my brain's like, huh. So that's obviously working there. Okay, how bright is that on that view? So that's so much more brighter there, right? Than it is here.
He's trying to do Colin and Paul.
So first I'm going to try disabling this.
Adam loves the fact that he said, I like
Where's the... no. All the canvas is on here. Game view darker and camera view.
Whoa. And I think Darren's been upgrown, and all that. And struggling.
That's all of that. Post-processing. So it is post-processing here. That's the major difference, I think. Yeah, that's showing with and without it.
Kick him back. So they went really yellow. I said, yeah, don't worry about it, they'll come back. I said, how four are in there? And Adam went, they're big. So
Because if I go none,
I said we've got some little sunflowers in.
neutral ACs. Let's try this.
Yeah.
We're gonna back up here.
You know, it's like he's trying to outdo us, trying to show that our, you know.
We're gonna increase the range here, right? There we go. That's at about 20 right now. We still can't see stuff.
The problem is, they're listening to
Game mode post-processing.
oh, cool.
We can now see it. Mapping. Yes. Texting. Range.
And they want to spite us. Well, the two that came round, then they said, shame you couldn't have had this one. Yeah, you know. And that just you should have had it. Because they put the blonde one, Jill. And Turner said, you'd have had it all dug over by now. Growing stuff. We would have had the whole lot growing. You know, issues. Louise was being fucking stupid.
Derek,
Yep.
could you tell him I
Yeah.
said hi?
Oh, they said hi back.
Oh, we just hardly understand. Okay, Margaret sent it through.
Trying to think how I do deal with this. Hey Margaret, I'll give Fina a treat in just a second. Fina. Fina. There you go.
I'm gonna go through. Yeah. See you later, alligator. I'll deal with that.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got a can of dog food for her.
Let's remove that. I'm currently reading up on some of the stuff.
Adam went. Shook my hand, said, "What are you getting to your garden?" I said, "Yeah." Who said that? Adam. I said, "Oh, a lot of time I don't bother with the trolleys." And George went, "Through gardener."
And you can't wear the gloves because I don't do them big enough. So you're in the habit of not.
Da-da-da.
Side to have a top at the bottom. One, two, three.
Let's go again. Motion blur, split Tom. Wait. Nope. Because I can very faintly see that there. So, yeah, if we went still for like 10. We'll increase this to 20? Nah, we'll go. Let's try 25. Also, I'm gonna... You know, no, I'll have to reset that all later. So where's everyone up to? Thanks, Metalis.
Hello there.
Moon,
Well, what'd I do?
you know exactly what you did.
What did I
You know, I'm gonna change my follower alert now. Audio.
No!
Okay, that's frozen up there. Okay, something's going on here, but...
It's wizard time, motherfucker! Fireball!
Why is it... It's detected and interactable. But it's not... This is so frustrating. Also, why the frick is that not working now? Crossfade, Okay, that's fair. Um... Name of How do I do any mobs again? Right, okay, so if I... Also, welcome to stream, Alex. Nice try, Moon. I have streamer mode on. Unless that's your notifications feedbacking. I think it's work this time. This is a bucket.
Dear God,
There's more.
No.
We'll get rid of that. There we go. Hopefully this will work now. I'm the Phantom will despawn. There we go. It worked. Now, next problem is that this is not triggering. It should be. Which is strange, to be honest. What does the item script have on it? Nope, just a normal mono behavior. Hmm. I'm gonna put that there just so I know it's firing in the first place. Right, yeah, I had that turned off. Sorry for the blue flashing, by the way. I can't control when Unity decides to do its compiling of shaders. It just likes to do it randomly sometimes, and it's like, why? It was already compiled.
Jack, I'm gonna head out for a bit.
Okay, no worries, man.
I'll see you later.
Yeah, see you later. What's the bunk for? I don't know why there's two different logs of walking. So something's happening on that pickup that should be happening, but isn't. No, fuck it. Let's turn the crossfade off for a moment. So I'm gonna change those backgrounds. That was weird. Game didn't want to respond. Oh wait, yeah, that's why I'm dumb. I'm not, but you know. Feel like if someone's very specific and someone is in chat, so they may want to smite me for saying that. So time to see if this part is working. So where's everyone up to? Yeah, fuck, lag spike. So Vass isn't doing those things, so I'm gonna skip song a moment. Clear storage, change active item. Change active item. Let's actually check the play inventory itself. Think about it. Inventory labels, list of empty, character, storage spaces used. How is this determined? Sorry, this was like very... storage dot count. Oh. Hey, that's not right, is it? Yeah, because that uses item. So that's really not a good idea to use that. So we're gonna have it use the number of labels there are. No, before we hit save, we're just gonna hit play so I can see what that does at runtime. Yeah, so inventory is full is the problem there. Here's the thing. Even if I use item storage, it's... No, this is my issue that I'm suffering from here. Because... First off, most of this isn't even following my naming convention, so it's throwing me off. By the way, it's a stream working okay for everyone. Oops. Well, it's fine because they're private. That's fine because it's private. This one I'm gonna make serialized though. Which means I'm gonna rename it. So yeah, this should not be reflective of that there. So we can get rid of that there. Now, there's probably going to be some more work I have to do throughout things. Add item, inventory, item storage, So yeah, this is the way I was using it. I was effectively using it as more of an array. So if anything, if I was to keep it working the way it is, which I might for now, is that I would kind of do something like item storage dot count dot capacity, I guess. I'm guessing count is just for reading the number, whereas capacity will be setting the number without, you know, creating a whole new list. So right now it's kind of like no inventory slots is I'll check that in a minute. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh yeah, so then put him... Yeah, frick. Thanks for the hydrate. What I realized I haven't put in is the character controller on the thing. Dock capacity did not work. Which means I'm about to have... Index was out of range, must be non-negative unless... Okay. I'll give her a treat in a sec. Yeah, so... Also, as in about 3 minutes, everyone. What's this? Good girl. First off, I never added this. Another thing I don't think I added was, apparently I did. No, I... Fuck. Right, where is it? Toggling cutscene, tunnel, grounded, Thanks for redeems.
Suck.
No! Yeah, I'll be back in a few minutes,
Suck.
everyone. I know. I'm back. Yeah, this one. So, what? Guessing what I've probably not done on the player is put in the... Nope, that's there. So why is that throwing errors? I'm gonna try this a moment. Wait, hold on. What does capacity do? It's a little bit of experimentation time here. Oh wait, I've just realized what I did there. Pinned the wrong one. So now I've penned 0. Yep. Just gonna double check something here. Nah, that does nothing. You know, what we will do is... We'll just do this. Hey Tim, for some reason, other sound is playing on now, and also you're not new. Nope, things are not playing right now. Da da da. Let me log into sound alerts a moment. fuck does it mean, grant permissions?
It's wizard time, motherfucker! Fireball!
Am I... Why is stuff breaking today? Also, I'm guessing ham and cheese rolls ghost. Yeah. What the fuck? Da-da-da.
Suck.
Right, hold on. Da-da-da. If item storage current number equals null, item to add equals that. What fucking... How is everyone? Also, the fuck? Everything's coming through at once right now, isn't it? Why am I not surprised? Yep, everything just came through. Line 45. This is the dot text item to add dot name. But item to add, if it's on about no object reference set, it hasn't been cleared yet. So item to add should still be item to add.
No. It's Jax.
And now I saw... never mind.
What'd you say? No, 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 no.
Okay, fuck. You know, just to save time on testing, I'm moving the player. Moving the player to in here. Like, why did it take 2 clicks? The next challenge is this, getting this to work. Let me check something a moment. That's a heck of a lot of redeems that. Thanks for all of them, Ghost.
Agadoo.
Some of them aren't queuing up properly. I'm looking at the dashboard for it. Sorry that I've been so quiet, by the way. I'm kind of munching while also deep in thought. Wow, double fart from 2 different people. Turns out is that me. Trying to zap a wild wolf. Oh yeah, quick question. Who here would actually like to see my persona that hasn't seen it in the Discord server? But Damien finished for me yesterday. And don't worry, I'll make sure it's the safer work one. the seemingly innocent deer fox that suddenly just interrogates people. Here's my persona, everyone. That Damien finished for me yesterday. I'm super happy with it. Also, by the way, the reason why the sub goal is so high is that these two here are going to become emotes. The catch is, though, is that I only have one free emote slot for tier 1 subs and one each for tier 2 and tier 3. So basically, if we can hit the I'll have to update that one if it ends up being higher to get a second slot open. But basically, as we hit the sub goals, I'll be able to move these into tier 1 for everyone to use. Because, to be honest, tier 2 and tier 3 is spendy. But yeah, for now, my persona shares my name. Not sure if I'll give him a different name. And basically, because of my mind, it's the interchange in between male and female. But feminine body either way. But yeah, I'm glad you like it. Fuck! Forgot about that one. Da, 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 da. Okay, you get your Stardew for now. Let's change screens to one that will work. Don't feel sorry for it. It's a break while I munch on toast. Also, yeah, I should also be locked on.
Jumino Kart. Free break to munch on toast sponsored by Ghost 3.
Yes. Yeah, that's honestly why I've been extra quiet for the last like 5-10 minutes, because I got really hungry and just started nomming. Yeah. No, it is a great one because of the, like, you know, the vibe it is. At least the Stardew streams should be back, in theory, fully, depending on how things go. Crap. Really? Okay, I'm gonna need to at least reach the second level. You guys know how I work with this. Okay, I don't like where that coin was. Yeah, screwed that. Really? Frick. Jump over there. Crap. That was a fun slingshot. I almost screwed that. Hey Oxygen, how are you? Welcome to where Chad found I didn't turn off a redeem and Oh no. But how are you? To what is meant. Welcome to your stream that's meant to be game development, but.
Butter the toast, eat the toast, shit the toast, God life's relentless.
On. God's best slime. Now! Damn it. I don't know how I'm meant to get that. I did not screw that up somehow. Yeah, how are you? Thanks for all the squats redeemed, Gemini. Sleepy, tired, aching because it's too damn hot to sleep. Give me a sec to pass this. This giant slime puts me on so much edge. Okay, past it. And I went to the gym today, otherwise good though, just winding down after playing Final Fantasy 14. Sorry, it took me a moment to work out which one it was. Yeah. But yeah, basically, I forget sometimes to turn off the gym no cart redeem. Ah, ads just hit. I'll wait till the ads are done. Little critter. Oh no. Up and over, da da da. Honestly, I surprised myself with some of these jumps. I made it, but... Yee. Nope. Yeah. Alright, let's watch the lava one. I haven't been here since the update, so maybe it got reworked? No, you little... Oh my god, I hate the lava. No. Like, I'm guessing it's faster? Yeah, it's definitely faster. Come on. I'll be... Oh. Yee. Ignore the noises I'm making. I've never made this far ever on this level. And then it's just like, ah, no, screw you. Right, back to the game developments. So yeah, when I forget to turn off and someone smells that I forgot to, I tend to entertain the redeem on Wednesdays. Before I turn it off. Yes, disable it. Thank you. Yeah, it did. I have no real practice with the lava level. And it has such a weird way of working. Also, one thing I need to do is... Right, let's turn the crossfade off for a moment. Because what I want is... this. It's the background for these images. So this here is... so I don't actually have background for these. By the looks of it. Yeah. Yes, I do, actually. So if I change that to that, and then if I don't know, change these to that, then... okay. I'm gonna write something in here. That's gonna make this a little bit more interesting. So I'm gonna need... what am I doing? That doesn't work anyway. There we go. So I'm gonna quickly try and work out how to implement is yep. The Unity Gremlin C#. The way I've learned I've started programming lately is like in this very segmented way of doing things. So like instead of how a lot of it sometimes ends up in update here or fixed update, written raw, I just put it all in its own method that I can just delete and re-add as I need them into fixed update and update. So that's kind of how I've started writing my code. Meanwhile, at the same time, I'm... it may end up becoming hard for me to work on my games because I'm ending up applying for jobs at the minute, so it's kind of like, eh. So yay. Currently I have the, yeah. That's something I'm having to do at the minute. Yeah. But like, trying to look for things on my skill level is kind of like a pain. Because it's all like, have 2 years experience in stuff, and it's kind of like, I have 2 years in my stuff, but not professional stuff. And plus, I'm still learning like abstract classes and interfaces. Like right now, I'm suffering an issue where I need to review my inventory system. Because it's very, alright, yeah. I need to re-enable this because this, disables pause. Which, currently I've got, the way I'm stopping the player from suddenly spinning their camera around while stuff is loading in. Frick. You know, screw it. Post-processing is going off for now. I'll deal with it all later. I'm looking the player's vision, their movements by pausing, launching the scene in pause mode, and then I've got a little animation event that unpauses it at the end of the crossfades. This is a weird thing that I've got happening here. Also, why is my drop button? It's been a while since I've actually had to use the drop button, so trying to implement this again is annoying. Open UI, no function. Okay, what do you mean that's not working? Parts of the game is just like, nah, not today. That works now. Primary, do I have a drop? Yeah, so like... It's like, here's the item added, right? Which is weird that it's not adding the item until it's picked up. It's not the item script, it's this one. Because this one here is kind of like ending up being the storage holder. Oh yeah, Oxygen. Brain just died. Do you want to see my persona? It just got finished being made yesterday. Here's my persona. Just got finished being made yesterday. I'm really happy with it. And also, I've asked my artist to turn these two into emotes for me. That will be added to stuff. So I've gone for like an Arctic, Yee. Unfortunately, I don't have enough slots for the tier 1, so like those two are gonna have to sit in my tier 2 full bit. Tier 2 and tier 3. Until I can get the tier, 2 more slots open for tier 1. Because I have one, open currently, but that's going to be used for, Gremlin Snuggles emotes, which is going to become the channel points icon. What's that? What's that? What is drop being ran by? Okay, drop's there. Drop is there. Okay, that gives me a better idea of this. Where's drop? Because that should definitely be there. Unless I haven't added it. Which I haven't. Crap. This is going to take a little bit of work. But yeah, the emotes are definitely one of my favorite things on Twitch. Okay, we're gonna go into the PC control scheme first and deal with this here. I'm gonna put this up with these two. And okay, that's a button. Why is secondary use G? Like, it's one of those things of where you come back to something you set up a while ago and your brain's just sat there like, why? Why is this G? I'm gonna quickly check the Switch inventory. So what do I have there? 1 and 2. Okay, so what I can probably do is set drop to Q. They still haven't fixed this in Unity. That used to be exposed for listen button. It's not anymore, and it's annoying. Alright, now for the fun experiment. It's gonna quickly... Xbox controls. We'll deal with that there. So we have drop here. Add binding. So we have left and right there. Crouching is B. Right trigger, left trigger. Let's add this to the right bumper. I really wish Unity would fix that menu. Especially with a decent amount of users swapping over to this system for some of the things it offers. It's R2 I want. Sorry, it took me... I had to think, what the frick was the control... Yep. There we go. So that should be the control set for each of them. For each of those 3 controller types. For some reason I went on like a whole accessibility spree, Oxy, and made it so people can use Xbox and PlayStation controllers tied into this game. And the Switch is instant too, between the 2. Right, yeah, it's for player. I need. No. I just feel like I'm getting lag from this. Why is this being aggro? Okay, where's drop? Drop should be in here now. There's throw item. Wait, is it throw? What's throw item on? This is where I've just gone and made an input for no reason. Throw item, what are you on? Crap, that's why it was on G. Frick. Okay, let's bin drop. And... okay, I want to keep that on... okay, what's using right bumper? Because I've got a feeling there must be a reason why I'm using left bumper and L1. Did I not set up a PlayStation one? Nah, something to fix later. Well, I'm just trying to make sure that the right bumper is free. No, because the torch is on there. Okay. So, this will... that can sit on there. Secondary use, we're going to switch to Q. Left trigger, L2. Yeah. I think that seems good. If that's null, else if thrown, drop. I'm calling drop here. Unless it's normal drop. Yeah, I'm calling that drop. That's bad. I'm renaming this. I've got two functions here called drop, which is not good. Well, two methods. It's trouble when I haven't touched something in a while and I haven't needed to use it since a way earlier version of the game. Before I went and overhauled the whole thing. To go in the direction it's going in now. So some of this I haven't updated to implement correctly. So if I go down here to here, it'll say drop is missing. Yeah. Like, God, the AI. I have tried turning it into a state machine. And it is nightmare fuel. I think I need to, like, refactor the whole thing. There. Drop item. Because also the easy thing to forget with Unity stuff is to go for the dynamic callback stuff. Because sometimes, like, it'll appear twice in it, especially with sliders. Sliders are the worst for it. So then you go, oh, it's there twice. I'll go for the one that's there twice, and not the one under dynamic. I gave my reviewers 6,000 lines of changes to old code on Monday, over 77 commits. They did not appreciate it, and gave me over 50 feedback messages in return. Yeah. Okay, that's drop item now. Also, I didn't want to go through the whole, like, setup process that I had for the starting thing constantly, so I just moved the player currently over to here. Why did it drop that time when I spammed this? For some reason I have to, like, spam the keys twice for them to work? The fuck is going on? Like, I know this works when I originally built it. And I've not really changed any of it, so it's like... Yeah, I'm going to break for no reason. No reason known to you. Something about the event buffers going on here. This throws when nothing happens half of the time with this. Apart from now, it just doesn't care. Okay, that's working instantly, you know? What about this? Oh, let me test this again. Just for accuracy. There's a collider there. No. I move to here. Yes! What's going on with my wonderful key today? Why do you not like what is going on? Let's take a look at this. Its collider is here. This whole green box is its collider. But it's only picking it up when I look at the actual mesh. Why? No idea.
This
Is a bucket.
Dear God.
There's more.
No.
This is what drives me insane at times. And it's not that script there because I've disabled that. That is not active on this one. Actually, this stuff I could do with spelling out. No, I don't want that. Hold on. That one. Like, I'm just going to call it.
Suck.
Who did it? Also, good night, Ghost. I hope you sleep well. Nah, that sounds fucking... Thank you, Gemini, for redeem. Alright, let's try this again. It missed. It hit. Why? Like, here's the thing. I would understand if there was a mesh collider on it, but there isn't.
Suck.
Yeah, Oxy. If I go into this, this is like the whole state machine type thing up here for the AI. I'm hoping I'm using the right terminology. This is kind of like a state machine I'm trying to make. And then it goes off into like an aggravated AI state version of the code. I've got a hunting animation mode now. Like, hold on. Gonna open this up. One sec while I quickly hunt down. It's definitely on my external. Yeah. I'm thinking. Hold on. Add skill. Wait a minute. I'll snooze swim. I'm just hoping I'm using it right because it's, you know, it is controlling the state of the AI. Unity builds. The Lost Souls. Alpha builds. It's that one. Automatically, it's just X by means of Y leads to Z. Yeah. Because oh boy, that sensitivity. I haven't added in the mouse lock yet on this. Actually, I'm snatching that quickly. There's the little critter. But does not care right now. I used, what's the site called? I'll be in the credits. I'll dig that up in a minute. You can, yep, there we go. There's one hit. No, that's meant to be 2 hits there. I picked up a piece. Wait, no, I didn't pick up the key. That's what I was looking for. So, there we go. I've got the key now, at least. Yeah, that's the terrifying thing that happens. Now. She goes, hi, let me in, please. Why are you working fine now? In the actual build. But this is the little AI that I've got roaming around. It's got a 2 detection method system. Okay, you decided to go back to walking. Fair enough. That seals up, so I can't use it. The key has moved to elsewhere. This is what the key is originally designed for. The script I'm using, though, it should be the same thing, but... Yeah, frick, the key is over here somewhere, isn't it? Yeah, you're guarding it. Yep, I'm going this way. Yeah, I've just got this up on ish at the minute. That bugs me. I'll need to clean that up in the future, but not anytime soon. Got more important things. Yeah, I've got a whole... Like, so the two detection methods I've got is a proxy detect and a site detect. The light on its head is actually the site detection. Basically, rather than sending out two, like, line casts or something like that and going, hey, if a player is between these two lines, go for them. I've got it saying, hey, if it's between the angle of the light's pieces, then go for the player in a sprint. Like that. Why are you slightly sore? You should have been dead. Or at least captured. You gonna just sit there? Or is it because I've just broken it by peeking through here, haven't I? Yep. So yeah, that's my main AI. Sorry, I just kind of wanted to show it off a little bit. Oh, frick. Where are you? You're over there. Yeah, you've got better opening of the door than I do. Also, a couple... So, where is it? Yeah, Mixamo is the software I use for the animations for now. I've just created like a little, what's it called? Little assets used credits thing of softwares used and stuff. I do need to... These are all roughly 60 Hz, right? 60... So that's 75. I don't want 75. I need to find out a way to filter this out better. But this works as well. And stuff like that. This is still... yeah. Yeah. That's just my AI. Sorry everyone for showing off a little bit. But, yeah, for anyone wanting to give our playtest, that is actually out on itch for free. So feel free to go take a sniff. It runs better than this is at the minute. Okay, why OBS are you showing specifically that screen's box with a yellow marker? OBS is being weird. So, fast there. Still don't know why this is only picking up when I look at the main key. I'm gonna check this at runtime to see where the collider sits. Hey Shade! Thank you so much for the raid! How are you? Welcome to stream. Now let me quickly give you a shout out. Also Shade, you're gonna hate this, but the ads are about to hit in about a minute. Hey Angie, how are you? Welcome to stream. Everyone make sure to go check out Shade.
Oh, no, it's... What do you have to say? Wait, give me a second.
Yep, they're coming for you, Shade, just in time.
It will hold me, daddy.
Oh, that clip. No, that one still exists. It's there in the pool anyway.
What?
And it's breaking as per usual because nothing ever likes to work right. But yeah, how are you all? So yeah, this is weird because the collider's working fine. I'm gonna try and make him collider bigger. I'm okay. Wait, what happened to the collider? Oh, I realized what I did. You two getting up to shenanigans in my chat. That's good to hear. Okay, the drop is still not working. Nope, fucking. Oh, for fuck's sake. Every now and then, the cable of my mouse just sags and under the desk and just adds a whole weight to it. You'll be fine. Look, you suffered the worst ads of me advertising this game, the sandbox for it. I just realized, actually, you probably can't hear still. So yeah, if I double press, then it definitely works. Interesting how... Yeah, Shades, you dodged the worst ads of them all. Me advertising myself. My sandbox of the game. I've got cramp in my right hand now. Thank you for the gifted sub, Shade. Wait, no. Angie, sorry, I read it wrong. My bad. I'm EP. EP brain taking over. And frustrated brain with this. Shade can hide from the Twitch ads now, but not the, my ads. My brain's seriously trying to ponder why things are not. Right, let's go to here. There's this drop here. Nope. Hover over it long enough, please, Visual Studio. So what is everyone up to? So I've just renamed that across the script. Okay, so I need to double check for drop script here. No, not that one. Pick up all. That one. Ah, I don't have my log system set up here. Wait, hold on. What did happen here, though? Also, give me a sec. Because a little piece of my system isn't in... This is how long ago I made this. It was before I implemented my little log system. Dun, dun, dun. Pick up a ball. Gonna dump that there. Then we're gonna quickly add a little... I'm not gonna correct this to have my usual templates either. There we go. So then this debug.log, we can rip off the debug part. And I'll do this when I want it to. Okay, the character movement, we're going to turn off the logs for now on it. To try and filter out some stuff. Instead, we're going to turn them on this. Now, the question is that I'm trying to remember now is what on earth is the pickup button? The drop button. Which is throw item. Right mouse button. I'm not even firing right now. Let's make sure that's at least reaching this part. Nope. So then we're gonna run a another log here. Log. This one we're gonna do in a formatted string. Current obj does get components of item when we want its name. That's not the name thing. Item name. We're gonna copy that for we're gonna copy this line for ease, because then we're gonna go up to the actual one here. That's not gonna work because I just realized it's gonna, yeah. Hopefully it's that roll up, right? That's the issue that I'm suffering there from the dropping. Current hold. Oh, let me try something here. Also, let me know if the music is too loud. Oh wait, yeah, I didn't. Oh, let me just save. What are you doing, Athena? Okay, there's the debug working. Oxy, just curious, have you ever seen some kind of nice IO file? That works. So also another issue we're suffering from as well is half of it isn't doing what it used to do. Right, player inventory. Inventory labels. It's just a yellow warning that keeps bugging me with nearly every project, especially after they've moved the location. So yeah. So first we're finding a vacant slot. Which also I'm going to turn on the logging for player inventory a moment. Just so I know what's going on there. Let's clear that out a moment. Also, I'll turn those off for a moment as well, because I'm only have to... I did just turn on the right logs, right? No, I didn't. That's what I did. Whoops. Wait, hold on. I think I just noticed something there that I wasn't noticing before. It's weird that the logs aren't logging. Nope. It's like half of this isn't running that should be. Like some of this just isn't running. How do I know the current? I'm gonna wrap up stream soon, by the way, everyone. Also, I'm really sorry I started late with this. Oh, let me check what I'm doing here in this. Also, just to confirm that I am that current item number is working correctly. Yep, that's working correctly. First I'm gonna do this because that's gonna bug me otherwise. Log hand is vacant. Debug.log message. So that... Why is that not running? Well, it should technically be before those because it's saying that it's found it. Gonna probably do a Moonstruck 2.0 design on my drawing stuff to help put... Sure, if you want to.
Jack is small.
Wow. I see how it is. No, don't duplicate it. Nothing again. Just to double check that this is running in the first place. Pina! Pina's just knocking things over as per frigging usual. The joys of life. Its logs aren't even on. Ah! Why weren't they on? I didn't. Oh yeah, I renamed it. Okay, Handis Vacant is running there. So the method is starting at least. Peanut, be careful. You're just shoving past everything without care. Border Collie is always on a mission without care in the world. And its vacant is running. Okay. That's the line of code it's running down. This is gonna be painful. It's working there. Okay, good. This is probably like a really awkward way to test all this. Because if I can figure out where the dead end is hitting, then it will help me out a lot. Peanut, settle down. Okay, I'm guessing it's exactly where I thought it's happening, which is in there. Lena, come here. Come here. Hi. My border collie is here. Come on up. I know how much you love your cuddles. Come here. There you go. She really loves her cuddles a lot. But she loves robbing you of your snacks even more. Don't you? Hmm? And also she likes to pretend she's innocent, like most pets. Yep, that's the issue. Now the question is, do I have... No, I do not. I have a log for here. I'm gonna do a formatted one for this. Nah, nothing about one. Nope. What item name? I'm gonna make this process a smidge faster just by moving the player up to where it's to where the object is. There we go. Because once this is done, we can go back to normal testing, making sure everything works. Okay, that step worked. Actually, if I remember, this step worked here, so we can skip that. I'm guessing it's here. Yeah, it's there. It's the UI stuff. Because let me check what that first one is. Inventory image slots. Reduce that down to 2. Okay, yeah, I understand the error now pretty much happening. I'm gonna padlock that there so it doesn't move about. Gonna change. Actually, we'll leave that at 0 because what we can do is that we can just do this. That should be no, not that one. Whoops, that one. Yeah, that's in right order. You're thinking this is what's causing a lot of the issues. No errors. Only caches that the image was not changed. That's why. What I kind of need to do though is this image here, right? Instead of having this version of it, what I need to find is to make another version of it. It's not showing up because it's buried in Unity then. Fair enough. What's that one? Okay, that's pro builder stuff. I'm not gonna ransack that for that. I'm gonna leave that be for now. Okay, that's half of that problem solved. I think I'm gonna leave that here though for today before I hurt my brain anymore. At least on stream. I'll probably keep working off stream. In the meantime, thank you everyone so much for joining me today. I really appreciate all of you. Tomorrow should be Dark Souls 3 for stream, where we continue through the pain and suffering of that game. Friday stream, I have no idea. I'm a little bit lost on those ones at minutes, but we shall see. In the meantime, if you're watching this on YouTube, thank you so much for watching. If you're new around here, feel free to check all of my stuff in the link tree there. You can find my game pages, YouTube channel, TikTok, things like that, including my Discord server and Twitter in there. I'm not sure who we're gonna raid out to. Give me a sec. Gonna take a sniff a moment. Also, if anyone has any raid suggestions, that I'm open to hear them. Just none of the people I would like to raid right now are online. That I normally would. I'm not sure right now who I want to raid. Hey Shade, are you there? Or anyone else? Yeah, it's all good, Tim. I'm just trying to find the raid suggestions, to be honest. I'm gonna take a quick poke at someone's, because I just seen someone is live at no, should we go say hi to someone from Anne's community? Now, let me double check the list of people active from there. Yeah, we'll go say hi. They're called Clobeans. I haven't personally checked out their stuff before, but they're in it's actually Alan's community. So yeah, we'll go say hi to them. Because I do want to raid out rather than just end stream today. They're playing Unpacking currently, which is a rather chill game. See, thank you everyone so much for joining me today. Really appreciate all of you. And I should be live tomorrow with Dark Souls 3. But in the meantime, I shall see you all tomorrow. See ya!